TOC 321 coming back again with some more Revell Star Trek, the original series 1/600 scale build update calls it thing. So this time we're going to be talking about these, the struts that hold the nacelles in place. Okay, now absolutely brilliant idea. Does that mean you got windows so you can light it? Brilliant. So this goes in. They go in a certain way, because the tabs will only fit one way, and that's not the way. So it's this one. So this will fit into here, like so, and it even gives you a hole so you can put your wires in. Brilliant. Oh, wait a minute. No, that's not right. So we're gonna have to drill a hole. Yep, we are going to have to drill a hole to put this damn thing in. So put the wire through anyway. So let's take that back out. Now I want to put the wire through here, and luckily it's got a little hole that we could, well, not a hole, but it's got like a paw mark that we can actually use for our wires, and this should be just big enough for the wires, if I'm correct in saying so. Yes, it is. Now the windows are going to go at the front. Okay, so let's just start drilling there. Drilling through the hole. That's it, done. This is going to be a fairly short video. Okay, yeah, that was just over the top a little bit, maybe. Yeah, okay, it was. Right, so now we're going to get our wire, and we're going to thread it through. It should just fit. Oh, that's a tight fit. I might extend that hole a little bit more, actually, to be fair, because that's a little bit tight. So let's use this as a file and just rub back and forth and going around in a kind of a circle here. You can't really see me going around in a circle, but I'm going around in a circle, and I'm using it as like a file. Now that should be a lot bigger than the other hole, because we had trouble getting this in because it was quite tight. Shh. I'm not gonna say it. I'm not gonna say it. But now that's a lot easier to pull through. See, it's always good when you're able to pull through. Nice and easy. Right. So again, we're going to do the same thing. Just go around in a kind of a circle, extend the hole a little bit. We don't want to extend it a lot, obviously, because we don't want to lose the structural integrity. Let's get rid of that nasty there. There we go. Right, let's just check this one, make sure the wire can go through here. Do you know, I'm just going to twist these together for now. I can always undo them again. So let's test that one, make sure that one's fine. And that's fine as well. So yeah, both the wires are going to go through perfectly fine. So what I'm going to do first, just so we can do a test run, thread all the wire through into here. Okay, pull this up relatively close, and it's going to go like this away. Alright, so let's pull that out. Let's give us some bit of room to play with here. So this will go onto here. Like, I'm not going to glue these on, don't worry, I'm not gluing these on just yet. And then I'm just going to pull the wire. Just carefully pull the wire through, and that gives me an idea of where that's going, like that. Okay, so take that back off a little bit. Let's put this little ubi back on, and let's plunk you down there. Come on, you know you want to. Look, stop playing silly buggers with me, will you? Every single time people are watching, you want to play silly buggers with me. There you go, come on, get in the hole. Get in. what's stopping. Oh, okay, right. I see what's stopping. Let's pull the wire out a little bit more here. Give myself a bit more room. I think I see what's happening. So we might need to make sure that that's completely over there. There we go. Oh, there we go. Really push that down in there. Let's plug that side in. And this is going to go into here. Oh shit, I've just opened that up now. That's just typical. Yes, that's because I'm not doing what I said I was going to do. But once that's in, I think I might need... There's a little piece just here that's actually getting in the way. So I think what I will do is pull the wire back out. It's this little piece right here that's getting in my way. So I'm just going to take my Dremel tool and just very, very lightly give myself a bit more space. Now this is where it's going to be attaching to the actual model, so I don't want to take away too much. So I think that should do it. Let's get rid of the nasties. Get rid of the nasties there. Right, so now hopefully, so we try it again. So, because I mean, if you're going to be lighting this kit, these are some of the things you're going to need to do. So let's give ourselves a bit more room here. Was it you? No, it was you. Yep, it was you. I need to push you down as far as we can go. Come on. Am I going to have to separate the wire there or something? Because it's still not going down as much as I would like it to. But it's a lot better than it was. And then obviously if we just hold it and tape it together, it should be fine. But no, it's not, because it's not going down on this side either. So why ain't you going down there? Why? Why are you not playing with... Oh, wait, are you the right one? You're not the right one, are you? Jesus, wept almighty, right, okay. Let's actually use the right one, Rob. That would be better, wouldn't it? Right, oh yeah, we go. There we go. That's the one. Right, so we pull the wire a bit, and then we get that bit inside there. Hook that onto there, and just pull that wire so it's pretty much straight as it can go. There we go. And that's how we're gonna attach our nacelle. Whoops, hello. Now obviously when it needs to be glued and everything, and when we do it, we're gonna be doing it like this. So we can try and make sure we're getting everything. When we glue it, we're gonna have, it has to be down this way. So we can make sure that we get everything in line and it's gonna be nice and straight. Okay? So just bear that in mind. And obviously this is going to be glued. I'm not worrying about lighting these windows. I'm going to put the windows in, but I'm just going to black them out. I can't be asked to do that. I really, really can't. And I don't think I'm going to have enough purple light going through to light these anyway, and I don't really want to. So I'm going to black those out. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And then this will obviously fit on the hull. So let's take this all, oh, excuse me, back apart. So we now know that a little tiny modification just there is going to work. So these are the parts. Let's get a pointy stick here and try and get you into focus. There we go. So it's these parts here and here that need to be trimmed down just a little tiny bit. And as you can see, it doesn't make an impact on here. Well, maybe a little bit of an impact, but not much of an impact. This is where it's going to be glued into the main hull section. And we got to remember the windows will be at the front, so it's going to be going that way. Alright, windows at the front. Must remember that. Right, and obviously we've got the holes that we drilled in just there as well. Okay, and that's going to help with all the wires going through. I don't even know what millimeter drill I used. I think it was a 2, either a 1 or a 2 mil. Let's have a look. 3, 2. Let's go over here. This will tell me a bit more. So, yeah, 2 millimeter. I used a 2 mil drill bit, and that was plenty for these wires. And but when it wasn't, I just it was. The wires went through, but it was really tight, and I didn't want it too tight. I wanted to be able to pull the wire through easy. Because I don't want to like yank on the wire and then yank too hard and it all breaks. I didn't want to do that. So there we go. That's that. That's what's going to go together. I wanted to show you this. I put some PVA glue in, but I don't know. Looks like some of it may not be working properly, so I'm just going to put a little bit more in some places because it's looking like it hasn't taken fully in those places. Where are you? There you go. Let's put a little bit more in there. There we go. So I've put some PVA glue into there, as you can see, and that has helped a lot to, 1, diffuse the light, and 2, just to make it look awesome, epic and awesome. Let's put that in there, and we just quickly show you this. That and that. Nope, nope. So yeah, and that is going to be just glowing just about right. I mean, I've got it on a 9-volt battery which is dying now, so it's going to be a little bit brighter than that. But there, yeah, and it's actually diffused it really, really well. Okay, so that was just a little update on that. I'll show you what I've done. This is now easy to come on and off. It's all it was. There was panel line. Couple of panel lines were in there. I just scraped them off, and now that comes on and off really easy, the way it was meant to. Obviously it still needs painting and everything, that's why I'm keeping this over here out of the way. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to show you this part because obviously this kit is getting very near to be put together, and so I wanted to show you what's needed when we do that. Doo-doo. I love that doo-doo. Okay, I'm shutting up now. So I'm going to put some more glue on this guy because I've opened it up now, which is typical. It's just typical of me. And I will see you guys in the next video. You take care of yourselves. Bye bye now.